Here is a look at today's assignment. The learning targets are: I understand how perimeter is related to area. I can take an area of base 10 blocks and change the perimeter. I can discover how changing perimeter and area can affect the perimeter or area. And I can explain the relationship between perimeter and area. You're going to use this link right here to help you complete the question. So I'm going to click on that link and show you what it does. So it brings us to this website that has the base 10 blocks. So this is measurement of 1 square unit. This one has 10 and this one has 100. And you're going to use these to help you complete today's assignment. So it says find the area and perimeter of the ones block, tens block, and hundreds block. Indicate the correct units of measurement. Remember, perimeter will be labeled centimeters and area will be centimeters squared using that exponent like yesterday. So for the ones block, to find the perimeter, we're going to count the outside. 1, 2, 3, 4. To find the area, we're going to count the inside. 1. Okay? To find the tens block, you're going to count those toothpicks. You're going to count the outside. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't get all the way around. And then to count the area, you'll count the inside. Okay? Same for the 100th. You'll count the outside for the perimeter. You'll count the inside for the area. However, you should know the area just by the name of the block. And you'll put those answers here. Then it says, what is the combined area of the blocks drawn at right? So the area is the inside. I know this is an 100 block. I know there are 3 10 blocks and 5 1 blocks. So what does that all add up to? The blocks are named by their area. So the block that has an area of 100 centimeters squared is called a 100 block. The block that is 1 centimeters in area is called a 1 block. The block that is 10 centimeters squared is the 10 block. Which blocks could be used to represent an area of 127 squared centimeters? Please give 2 different ways. You can use these base 10 blocks to help you find that. So if you want to use 127 of them, you need to figure out 2 ways that you could represent 127 centimeters squared using these base 10 blocks. And the last slide, find 2 ways that you can represent an area of 34 centimeters squared. So now you're going to use 34 base 10 blocks and write down 2 ways that you could make 34 base 10 blocks. Maybe one way is 3 10s and 4 4s, or 4 1s. You decide how you want to create that 34 centimeters squared using the base 10 blocks.